Hi everybody, this is A. Welcome to my video. Let's build a C++ mongocxx project based on CMake to read a database. Let's check it out. So first I need a directory to set this project. I actually set this as yes. And inside it I need the CMake lists and actually another file as main.cpp. Let's open this with Microsoft Visual Studio. That's it. Okay. Let's write some CMake configuration. CMake minimum version 3.16 and the project is like the directory. And set the CMake sixes. Oh. $17 and set the CMake sixes standard required true. And let's find package. Yes. Yes. Thank you. And then let's set CMake library output directory as CMake. No. Project source directory. And I put this in bin file and set the CMake runtime output directory like this. That's it. And set the executable. Target link libraries. Yes, I need. Thanks for the co-pilot. Okay, what's the matter? Oh, about the packages. Oh, I need to set these prefix paths. Set CMake prefix path. Okay, for CMake prefix path, let me copy these directories Okay. Okay, target libraries. Actually, oh, needed target link directories and into simple mongocxx as a private, and put these directories right, but need to change to this. Okay, let's see. What does it matter? I think I need to, oh, let's delete this debug and create a new one. X4 release, yes. Save it. And yes, the directory is set to the lib CMake mongocxx is 4.0 and the lib CMake x16x 4.0. Okay, it's okay, but there is something else. Let's see what is going on. I think I don't need this part, I think. Yep, that's it. Let's code. First of all, include iOS stream, and after that include bson 6x JSON to print it as a JSON. Actually, we need this, and include the client and the instance, yes, and another one if we need URI. There, that's it. This can't run this. Why? Oh. Return 0. What's going on? Oh, I forgot it. The include directories. Target include directories. Simple 6x. And then the private. And the include directories is these directories. Does it run? Yeah, it's wrong. Okay. Okay, I need the mongocxx instance and set the URI. That's it. And mongocxx create a client. Create a client and stick this URI into this. And actually I created a simple database with it's very simple to show this into this video. I created a database with name MongoDB and a collection test, and inside this collection we have 10 documents. Okay, read these. So instead of auto, I have a database as the like client test.db, and the set the collection. The collection name is test, and say try mongocxx cursor find all. Okay, find all inside the correction, and for auto doc that's it. Thank you. After that, catch the exception and say what. Okay, I hope this works. Let's see. Okay, and this is the code, and let's build. What's the same? mongocxx lib file. Oh, actually, we have to rename these files in the C mongocxx driver lib directory, and we have to change these two files, rename these two files. Actually, I have a good idea to copy these here and just rename these inside this directory. I think it's better. Okay, we have mongocxx lib file that the code need is here to link this into the executed file. So let's run. Oh, the executed file need the DLL files. Let's find these DLLs. Actually, these are in this directory, mongocxx driver bin file, and I copy all of these and paste it into this directory, the bin file, near the executed file. Yeah. Okay, paste this here. Okay, let's run again. What does it matter? mongocxx is we need the xx files. Okay, where are they? In here. Open this directory and paste this here. Run again. Okay, that's it. It's run. So actually I put this code on the GitHub. The link is in the description follow the description. And if you don't know how to build the mongocxx based on 6, based on C++ and C driver or C++ drivers of the MongoDB library, you can follow the video. I put the link in the description. Have a great day.